To begin the de-rigging process, lower the array to working height and release the red suspension locks. Opening the locks makes it possible for the cabinets to collapse back to the 10-degree position for storage. To attach the VT wheel cart, first connect the rear, then the front connection points. Next, use the handle at the base of the VT cart to pull the lower section of the array back and carefully land the array on the front wheels. This will collapse the cabinets and allow for disassembling the array. Move the angle selection pin to the 10-degree storage position and close the red locking latches of the last 4 cabinets in the array. This ensures that the rigging mechanism cannot be accidentally engaged during transportation. Before lifting, remove the rear pin between the bottom 4 speakers and the suspended array. As the array goes up, grab the handle on the cart and carefully roll the cart forward. Once all 4 wheels are on the ground, remove the front pins and roll the cart out of the way. Continue this process with the rest of the cabinets in the array. Cover the arrays with the soft covers, put the VT hardtops on, and we're ready to head to the truck.